Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show how I created this pink and orange eye makeup look for Diwali. I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's start with the video. To prep my skin really well, I am going to use this Episoft moisturizer with sunscreen. And because it's very dry weather in Mumbai, I am going to mix this rosehip oil along with the moisturizer and then mix it really well and applying it on my face. It's really important to hydrate your skin really well before you start applying makeup. Make sure that you're massaging the cream onto your face and neck really well. I'm going to start with the eye makeup first to avoid any fallouts on the base makeup. I'm going to apply this tape to get precision for my eye makeup. And then I'm going to apply this concealer as an eye makeup base and then blending it with a beauty blender. If you have pigmented eyelids, this will really help in concealing the pigmentation on your eyelids before you start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the chocolate vice palette. I'm going to take this light beige color and setting the concealer which I have already applied. I'm going to do my eyebrows with this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade medium brown. It's a really inexpensive but good quality eyebrow pencil. I really like it. I'm going to fill my brows and then brush with a spoolie. Doing your eyebrows will really help in framing your face well. I'm going to start the eyeshadow with that peach color on the palette. I'm using the ProArt PE22 blending brush. It's a really nice good quality brush. I'm going to apply this color on my crease and slowly build the color. This palette is a really good palette. It's not that expensive also. I'm taking this dark peach color from the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette just to brighten the color a little bit more. And I'm applying this on my crease and all over my lid. And then I'm taking this rose gold shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and applying it all over my lid. I wanted a little bit of a shimmery look on my eyes because it's a festive look. Then I'm going over that peach shade again and blending all the colors together. I'm going to use this pink lipstick. This is from Sugar. It's from the Metal Liquid Lipstick range. It's in the shade Talita. And I'm using a lip liner brush to apply my eyeliner. You can use any thin brush to apply this. I'm using pink color because my outfit was pink and orange. And because of the tape, we'll get a precise wing. Take your time and build up the color as you want. This lipstick is really pigmented, so it is quite easy to do an eyeliner with this. I'm zooming you in so that you can see the graphic eyeliner clearly. Now I'm going to remove the tape and do my base makeup. First I'm starting with this primer. It's a PAC pore minimizing primer. It's really good if you have pores on your T-zone. I'm going to apply this all over my face. And make sure you're pressing the primer on your T-zone. Next I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm in the shade 312. I'm not using any foundation today. This concealer is really good. It's very lightweight and at the same time it's full coverage. Make sure you're blending it with a beauty blender. Then it will give you a natural finish. Take your time and press the product onto your skin so that it gives a very skin-like finish. Next I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm not going to bake today. I'm just going to set my face so that my concealer doesn't crease. I'm using this Wet n Wild powder brush and dusting the powder all over my face very lightly. This powder really gives a blurring effect. Next I'm going to use this Colorbar Smoky Kajal. This is a plum shade. I'm not using black because black can look a little bit harsh with the pink color. I'm going to apply this kajal very lightly and then blend it with a pencil brush. I'm taking that peach color from the palette and then blending the kajal with the peach color. You don't have to be precise with the application of that kajal because anyways we are going to blend it with that pencil brush. Applying that peach color from the palette and blending it will help in making the eye look put together. Next I'm going to use this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. It's a really good mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Next I'm using this bronzer just to warm up the face. This is from Rimmel London. For blush I'm using Milani Luminoso. It's a very pretty coral blush. It has got a little bit of shimmer in it. For highlighter I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. It's a very pretty golden color. You can always go back with your beauty blender if you think you have applied too much. For lipstick I am using this Faces Canada Ultimpro Lip Crayon in the shade Wrapped Up. It is one of my favorite lip color. It's a very muted orange color. And then I have changed my outfit. And then I'm wearing some jewelry. This earring I got from a nearby market. Then I'm going to apply a pink bindi. With Indian outfits I really love to wear bindi. And that's it for my Diwali look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. And I will see you in my next one. Take care.